her annoying boyfriend, super annoying, wants to catch feelings and be like, oh no, I don't want you working. But clearly you were there when we signed the contracts and you never had no problem with it. Hey guys, we back with another video. This is our first mukbang. That's what you call it, but this is different. This is a Caribbean style mukbang, you know. So the lady who did this is Big JERKK. They're located in Edmonton, Alberta. Their shop is coming soon. They do catering Monday to Friday. No, sorry, Thursday to Saturday from noon till 7 p.m. So I'm gonna put all the information in the description so you guys can make the order. So yeah.
Okay, so let's get things started.
This is our first time doing this, so I just do what I see everyone on YouTube doing. Got the sauce.
Okay, damn, there are so many choices. I don't even know what to start with. And I am...
There's sweet potato in this, there's corn, there's lobster, there's shrimp. There's crab legs.
That was good.
Look at this. How big this is. Holy.
It's already tingling in my throat.
Look at that. Wow.
You know, you can tell it's spicy. Okay. Excuse me, guys. Let me just, I know I just started. I'm not good at this, right? And I'm already drinking water. About to drink water. Yeah, but it kind of hit the wrong spot there, so you know, I have to clear my throat out.
I'm not used to eating. I'm used to my lobster being out already, so I might be eating this the wrong way.
Just gotta eat the inside.
I don't know what I'm doing.
In the inside, okay. What is this? What is this one? What is this?
I think that's corn. No, carrot.
Carrot? This is some huge carrots.
So yeah. We've been away from YouTube for a while because got some crazy stuff going on.
Trust me. But we've been vlogging still. We've been making videos and stuff.
We just went through some stuff. I don't know if I'm eating this right, but this is good.
It's doing good.
I want to try Miss B Loves sauce. I hear it's really good.
The best way to enjoy your food is by hand. That's like the real African way. But I sucks at eating it with hands.
No, the corn is sweet.
Like I suck. I like. But Africans believe, but the African culture, that's how you're supposed to eat your food with your hands and stuff like that. You know? That's how you enjoy the food. And you enjoy every bite of it. OMG. Even the celery tastes good. You know it's good when everything tastes good, you know?
Yo, this food is lit. That's all I can say.
I got some stuff in my throat. In my teeth.
This sauce, I don't know what's in it, but it's good.
Good, let's taste the broccoli. How come your plate have a lot of meat And mine has a lot of vegetables.
Then you can grab meat. What do you want? Here, have that. Are you supposed to eat these parts? Is there meat in this?
I eat some.
Oh.
You can eat that.
There's a little bit of meat in it.
But,
Shoot.
maybe is that sauce that I felt on my shoulder?
Sauce.
Oh, leave it. Right.
Yo, this is better than Captain's Boil. I said what I said.
Hands down. I don't know, like maybe it's the Canadian one, but when I first tried Captain Boy, I didn't like it. Maybe I guess it's Canadian one or whatever, but not all, but I didn't like it. I didn't mind it, but it wasn't like as good as this one. Like, you know, this is like a black person, you know, when we black people, like when we put our hands on anything, especially when it comes to food, that better tastes good. So you know this is like heaven right now. Ooh. Yeah. 2 people eating all this, I don't know.
Yo, this thing is Big Jerk. Shout out.
Shout out.
Shout out to Odell for the hookup.
Tell your friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that to go and try beef jerk. Because boy oh boy, you can see us, you can see our reaction, but you wouldn't know until you try it, right?
Yo. So you guys seen the title of the video. Want to know why we haven't been posting. So the reason why we haven't been posting is because of this one. So when we started YouTube, we signed a contract. We work together. And when we get paid, we get 50-50. And then her annoying boyfriend, super annoying, wants to catch feelings and be like, oh no, I don't want you working. But clearly you were there when we signed the contracts and you had no problem with it. But you want to be a weirdo. We filmed other videos. This guy's complaining he doesn't want the videos to drop. And a whole bunch of back and forth. I think he has insecure problems. I know he's watching this, I don't care. Go jump in a ditch.
Shout out to you, boo. But I don't know that problem. They have their own issues. At the end of the day,
he's retarded. We're making videos. That's what we're doing.
I am.
But we're gonna drop the rest of the video that we filmed. That's why you guys haven't seen we didn't post nothing for 2 months. Cause I was gonna, you know? Yeah.
You're gonna what?
YouTube is a friendly place, so we can't say so. Anyways, we're gonna try to finish this. It's our first time doing a mukbang, so I hope you guys enjoy it. You know, we'll be back with more vlogs, FLT. Like, subscribe, comment, share.
Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend.
We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers.
Please watch the videos, you guys.
Yeah, at least 5 minutes of the video.
It will help us, like I said in previous videos. Once we get to that point, trust me, you guys will benefit a lot. So please watch the videos. Even 3 minutes is okay.
5 minutes. 5.
You know. And shout out to all you guys for watching though. We appreciate the support.
And we out.